Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to sculpt my nails today, and I'm going to start my preparation process by using my ceramic cuticle bit. This bit is painless, it's a safety bit, and it helps remove any dead skin from the nail plate. I'm now going to go in with my fine sanding bands and remove any product from my previous set. After I dust my nails, I'm going to apply my primer or my bonder. I will now use small wet beads to apply a very thin layer of glacier crystal clear to provide a thin layer between my natural nail and the colored acrylic. This layer is not mandatory, but it does help prevent staining. I will be using forms today to sculpt my set. So I'm going to start off with a very thin layer of glacier crystal clear to create my tips. I'm going for a glass look with the butterflies, so I'm going to apply the butterflies first. I will now be using a custom glitter mix from California Boutique, also available on ctones.com. I am encapsulating the glitter separately so that it doesn't move and fuse into my butterflies. I will now encapsulate the butterflies, giving them the glass look. For this nail, I started with the glitter mix first. Sometimes I play with the technique to see if I can still recreate the same design using a different method. I didn't necessarily like this technique specifically because the glitter did spread a little bit into the butterflies, but on the next nail, you're going to see me try it again. On this nail, you're going to see me encapsulate the glitter mix first and then lay the butterflies down. Once the butterflies are applied, I will then apply another layer of glacier crystal clear. This is a reminder that I'm still only building the tip. I'm using very thin layers of acrylic because I'm going to still have to apply the base layer where I begin my ombre. Finally, on the index finger, I decided on the technique that would work best for this design. So my tips are now finished. You can remove your forms at this point, but I like to keep mine there just for a little bit of stability for my fingers. The blue that I'm using is called Victory Lap, and all of these colors can be found on ctones.com. Once I complete my ombre with the Victory Lap Blue, I'm going to encapsulate it in Glacier Crystal Clear. You'll also see me using Glacier Crystal to build my apex. My forms are completed and it's time to remove them and start the shaping process. I begin my shaping process using an extra coarse sanding band. You can still get the shaping done using a hand file instead of using the sanding band. Once I complete my shaping with my sanding band, I'm going to go in and perfect my shaping with my 100 grit file. To create a smooth surface on each nail, I'm going to go in with my medium grit sanding band. After I smoothen out the surface of each nail, I'm going to go in with my tapered comb bit and remove any excess product from the cuticle area, as well as blend and seal my cuticles. Last but not least, I'm going to use my C-Tones non-wipe gel top coat to bring the design to life. So here's the finished product. I did 2 different colors. I haven't done my nails in so long. I didn't know which colors to do. So I did pink and I did blue. So I accomplished both sets the same exact way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up, leave a nice comment. Make sure you check out ctones.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We got live tutorials. Check us out. You guys have a great one. God bless.